Everyone, I am Meenakshi and I am here with the important topic articles, that is also very important in grammar. First of all, let's know that what are the types of articles. Articles are of two types. Those are indefinite article and definite article. Under indefinite article, here comes a and an, and definite article is the. They are used as determiner in the sentences. First of all, we will discuss about the indefinite article. Indefinite article is singular countable. Singular countable. That means a and an means one. It's used with the single nouns and with the countable nouns like boys, girls, chairs, tables. With s, if there is s behind the noun, then we would don't use a and an. It would be used with the singular nouns only. Boy, a girl, an apple, an orange. All right. Now I will give you some nouns and let's see what would they get, a or an. Apple. Here sound is coming of a. So we will add here an apple. First of all, we need to know that the an should always be used with the vowel sounds. Sound is important. Don't look at the first letter that it's a vowel and we are going to use a or an according to this letter. What should we notice? We should notice the sound, as in swar and vyanjan. The swar would take an and vyanjan would take the a. Okay, vowel and consonant sound should be noticed. Sound is important here. Alright? If I am writing the boy, what sound is coming here? Ba. Okay, vyanjan sound is coming here. So I will add a. Alright? If I will write a, now here we should notice that the first letter is H and suddenly we will this trick would come in mind that H is a consonant and we will add a here. But the pronunciation is a. H is silent here. Okay? A. It is called a. So we will add an a. Alright? And another word is university. Alright, we will see the U and suddenly this trick would come in our mind that is a vowel letter and you may add an here, but that is wrong. First of all, look at the pronunciation. What's the pronunciation of university? Okay, U, the ya is coming at first. The sound of ya, that is the vyanjan. So we will add here a university. Alright? And if here is MA, my sister is dash MA in history, then I will add a or an. Obviously the trick that would come in mind would be of that it is a consonant letter, but that's wrong. Actually its pronunciation is MA. So, what pronunciation is coming? Pronunciation of swar. So, I will add here an MA. Alright? So, these things are to keep in mind that what's the pronunciation of that word? The first letter is swar or vyanjan. Alright? If there is sound of swar, then we will add an, and if there is sound of vyanjan, then we will add a. Alright? The next article is definite article. That is the. Let's discuss the uses of the, that where we should use the in the sentences. First, we should use the that with that nouns that is already referred. Like I am talking about anything. A cow is a domestic animal. Then in the next line I will use the cow is very useful. The cow is the cow gives us milk. Then again wherever that noun would come, we would add the in the next lines that we already had talked about. Alright, with that word we would use the again and again wherever that the would come. Okay? Alright, when we talk about, like for example, I saw a boy in the park. There were many boys in the park, but if I talk more about that boy, then I would add the. The boy was crying loudly. Alright, the boy was hungry. Then I would add the with that noun again and again wherever I would talk about that boy, that particular boy. Alright, the next use is with unique things. Whatever unique things are in the word, like the sun, the moon, the universe, the earth, the world, etc. Whatever unique things are there, we would use the with these things. Alright? Then next, we would use the with some words referring to the nature that belongs to the nature, like the sea, the mountains, the ocean, alright, etc. Next we should use the with the sources of media, like the newspaper, the radio, the internet, etc. Alright, we will ask that, have you read the newspaper in the morning? That doesn't matter that which newspaper he was reading, which channel he was watching. We would say the newspaper, the TV. Alright. Next we would use the with in some time expressions, like in the morning, in the evening, in the summer season, in the winter season. Alright, with some time expressions. And next we would use the with the superlative forms, the adjective degrees that we would discuss after some time, with good, better, best. Then the superlative degree is best, and we would use the with the superlative degree, the best, the worst, the most beautiful, with the superlative degrees, that is the highest degree of adjective. Alright? Next uses of the are with the ordinals. Ordinals are like the first, the second, and some other words that give the definition, like the next, the last, and the only also. The only. Remember that we would use these words with the when we are going to use them as an adjective. They would tell about the quality of that thing. Like the first person sitting with me, the first boy sitting in the class should stand up. The second girl in that row should not talk. Alright, that word would tell about the adjective, if they are being used as an adjective. The only apple in the fridge has gone rotten. Okay, then that word is being used as an adjective. Alright, the next use of the is with the names of musical instruments like the guitar, the tabla, the harmonium, etc. Whatever musical instruments are there. And then with scientific inventions like the telescope, the telephone. For example, Graham Bell invented the telephone. Alright? Then next is with some places. With every country name, we can't use the with every country's name, like India, Pakistan, Japan. We can't use the with all the countries, but there are some countries with whom we can use the, like the United Kingdom, the USA, the Arab Emirates, the United Arab Emirates. Sorry. Alright, like this we can use with, it's compulsion to use the with the United countries. Then next, there are names of seas and oceans. We should use the with the seas and ocean, like the Red Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. Alright? Then with the names of rivers like the Ganga, the Thames, the Nile, etc. Alright? Then with the mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps. Remember that we should use the when we are talking about the ranges. Like Himalaya is not a single, this is not Himalaya. Himalaya is a range. These all are Himalayas, and we would use with the Himalayas. If there is a single name like it says Mount Everest, then we won't use the with the Mount Everest. Alright, with the ranges we would use the, okay, ranges of Himalayas, ranges of Alps. Alright, then is deserts like the Sahara, the Kalahari, with the name of deserts. Then with family names, if we are talking about many members of a family, then we would use the with that, like the Sharmas. The Sharmas are our neighbor and they are very good neighbor. Then I am talking about all the members of the Sharmas, okay, like the Sharans, the Smiths. So this the is referring to all the members of that family. Alright? And the 16, the last use that I am going to discuss today, it's not the least, that is if I am talking about a general category of for whole, like if I am talking about poor, the poor, then that means it's all the poor people. Poor people. If I talk about the rich, then that means all the rich people. I am talking about all the rich people. If I talk about the unemployed, that means all the unemployed people. Alright? So today we have discussed all the uses of a, an and the, where we should use a, an and the. If you have any kind of doubt, you may ask in the comment box, and keep watching my videos. Stay tuned and take care. Bye.